Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power and closing the water valve, safety first. Once done, remove the machine top or back panel so you can see the drum and inlet area. Make sure to label screws and take a quick photo for reassembly. Locate the rat-damaged mesh. This is usually at the drum edge or inlet filter housing. Then clear lint and loose debris so you can assess the tier accurately before moving into the repair. Once you've exposed the damage, trim jagged metal and measure a patch with about 1 centimeter overlap. You'll use a corrosion-resistant stainless mesh approximately 1.2 millimeter gauge. Cut to size and test fit. Then attach the mesh using tiny stainless screws or metal crimp tabs spaced every 2-3 cm and reinforce with stainless zip ties if anchors exist. Make sure to seal the perimeter with appliance-grade epoxy so water can't penetrate the repair and to prevent future snagging. You're finishing by reassembling panels in reverse order, using your labeled screws and the photos you took. Once done, reconnect water and power, then run an empty 10 to 15-minute rinse cycle while watching for leaks, unusual vibration, or rubbing noises. If you see leaks, immediately stop, dry the area, and tighten fasteners or add more epoxy. If noise persists, the patch may be misaligned. Remove and reposition the mesh or replace with a new section to avoid drum damage.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.